Baljek Airport badon Rilum Garo kadon kam sakumba nriupho Akar ka Jaka knang ba ki Liengsuin ba khamhe kinla banno khando ya kani lai thu do menteri ketenat transport badai ru sembut menteri rangba uba snya bhalang dhar habajuba phalor ka jingkli bawanra da ka MLA ka TMC ka miani di shira.
Letter has been written by our Honorable Chief Minister, and we received a reply from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. So no bidder is interested to bid for this small aircraft, so now it gets stuck up to that only. But anyway, we are follow up this matter very seriously to get even a smaller aircraft to operation.
Yes, pardon.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount of money spent for the construction of this airport?
Mr. Speaker, not yet, because we have to acquire first the land, and then DPR for the infrastructure will be made. As of now, no money has been spent because we are still yet to acquire another 68 acres of land.
So, what I mean to say is that since this airport which has been constructed has not been made operational, so what the total amount of money that has been spent already?
Mr. Speaker, sir, so actually for the land acquisition for the second phase is 3 crore, 1,29,000, but for the whole amount right from the day one, actually is information is not with me, so I require notice for that. How much amount has been spent so far in this airport? So information is not me, Mr. Speaker, so I require notice for that.